In today's video, we are going to look at the top 5 best electric winches available on the market. We research web and read lots of real user reviews before creating the electric winches list. If you want more information and updated pricing on the electric winches mentioned, be sure to check the description. Subscribe to our channel. And press the bell button for more informative videos. Number 5, Electric Winch 800 kg per 600 kg Electric Hoist 30 m steel wire rope. The electric winch with 800 kg per 600 kg capacity is a compact and efficient tool designed for household and building applications. Featuring a 30-meter steel wire rope, it provides a reliable solution for lifting and hoisting tasks. With a 1.5 kW winding engine, it ensures sufficient power for various applications, including household projects and small-scale lifting operations. The winch is equipped with a remote control for user convenience, allowing for easy operation. Whether used in a household setting or for small-scale building projects, this electric winch offers a practical and versatile solution for lifting and hoisting needs. Number 4, Electric Winch 12V Electric Recovery Winch Kit. The Electric Winch 12V Recovery Kit is a reliable choice for car, trailer, ATV, and truck owners. With a pulling capacity of 3,000 pounds or 3,500 pounds, depending on the model, it is suitable for a range of light to medium-duty applications. The kit includes all necessary components, such as ropes and towing accessories, making it a comprehensive solution for recovery and towing needs. Operating on a 12V system, this electric winch is versatile and compatible with a wide range of vehicles, providing a reliable and efficient solution for off-road enthusiasts and everyday users alike. Number 3, 4,000 pounds Electric Recovery Winch Kit. The 4,000 pounds Electric Recovery Winch Kit is a versatile solution for ATV, trailer, truck, and car applications. Operating on a 12V DC system, it provides ample power for various hauling tasks. Equipped with a remote control, users can operate the winch from a distance, adding convenience in challenging situations. Designed for mud rescue, beach hauling, and general recovery needs, this winch kit is a valuable addition to any outdoor enthusiast's toolkit. Its robust construction and reliable performance make it a go-to choice for those seeking a dependable and efficient electric winching solution. Number 2, 3,000 pounds Electric Winch 12V Synthetic Rope. Designed for ATV/UTV off-road enthusiasts, the 3,000 pounds electric winch with synthetic rope is a compact and powerful tool. Its 12V operation ensures compatibility with a variety of vehicles, and the synthetic rope provides strength without the weight of traditional steel cables. The inclusion of a mounting bracket and a wireless remote adds convenience, allowing users to operate the winch with ease. Whether faced with recovery situations or off-road adventures, this winch offers a reliable and efficient solution. The compact design makes it easy to install on different vehicles, enhancing its versatility. Number 1, VEVOR 13,500 pounds 12V Synthetic Tow Rope Winch. The VEVOR electric winch offers a robust 13,500 pounds pulling capacity, making it a powerful tool for various applications. Operating on a 12V system, it ensures compatibility with a range of vehicles, including 4x4s, cars, trailers, ATVs, trucks, and off-road vehicles. The winch comes equipped with a durable synthetic tow rope measuring 27 meters, 92 feet, providing ample length for versatile usage. Ideal for off-road adventures, towing, and recovery operations, this winch is a reliable choice for those seeking high performance and durability. Whether navigating challenging terrains or facing recovery situations, the VEVOR electric winch stands out as a dependable solution.